quadratic formula is minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac, and all of this is square rooted, all divided by 2a. So what are all of these terms? Here, whatever number is here is a, whatever number here is b, and whatever number is here is c. So this is the number which is in front of the unknown variable. So this is called the coefficient. So in this situation, it's 1. So we just take each of these values and we plug it into here. So minus b, so it'll be minus times a minus, I'll just write it out, minus 10 plus minus 10 squared. Brackets are fundamentally important here because you're going to have a minus and then a brackets 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 23. You must put brackets when you put this in your calculator, all divided by 2 times 1. If you don't put brackets in here, particularly, this is where everyone messes up, you will get it wrong. You must put brackets here, you will get it wrong. If you don't put brackets and you do minus 10 squared, it will just square the 10 and it'll put minus 100, and that's wrong. So now we can start cleaning this up. This would be 10 plus everything here divided by 2, and then you do it again, 10 minus everything here divided by 2. So if we do this quickly in my head, that's going to be 10 plus or minus the square root of 100 minus 92, all divided by 2. So that's going to be 10 plus or minus the square root of 8 over 2. Simplifying this, so you would do 10 plus root 8 over 2 and 10 minus root 8 over 2. You would get 5 plus root 2 and 5 minus root 2. So this 5 plus root 2 is 6.41. I'll just write it up here. 5 plus root 2 goes to 6.41. And then 5 minus root 2 goes to 3.59. So these are called. This is called finding the roots. And so this is where the curve. So let's say you have a little curve here, and it goes like that. This would be 3.59, and this would be 6.41. So when these are the points when y equals 0, that the quadratic intercepts the x-axis. So you found out what those 2 points are. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward.